So everybody, I just wanted to make a video on just in case your battery is sparking. You can take a look right here. My battery was sparking pretty bad. Actually arced pretty good. I checked all my grounds. I checked all of them, man. I tried to find, like where the grounds could possibly not be on, where they're supposed to be at. That's the ground for the starter. The only ground that I know that there isn't one is on the alternator. So I looked at my alternator. This is the original factory one. This is how it's gonna look on the car. First thing you're gonna do is unplug your battery. This might be why you clicked on the video, but you're gonna plug your battery, and then you're going to unplug the 12-volt cable and that bolt back there, 12 millimeter. The timing belt's gonna be like right here, but all the serpentine belts are gonna be on this side. And this is gonna have one bolt going through it. It's gonna be this bolt right here. And this is the only bolt that's actually holding this thing on. I mean, I don't want to say it's the only bolt. There is a tensioner bolt that's like a long bolt. This one. And then you're gonna a little square and then another bolt that comes this way. But it's gonna hook up right here and it's gonna be on this little bracket. And then you're gonna come unbolt that bolt right there on the right. This one. And then you're gonna unbolt that one down there. Actually, no, after you unbolt this one, you'll be able to actually just like flick up that bolt and it'll come out. And then you'll be able to drop down under the car, take off the intercooler piping, and squeeze yourself down there. I didn't know it was raining, but yeah. Here, you're gonna take off the intercooler piping and you're just gonna pull it out from under. Alright guys, I'm uninstalling the alternator from down here. I got a front mount intercooler. So I basically just take off this lower intercooler part, which is right here. And you obviously unbolt the 12 millimeter that will be right here, the 13 millimeter, it's one or the other. And then the tensioner bolt that sits right here. And once you get that out, the alternator will just literally fall out. And this is basically what it looks like when you put the new one in. Is you're going to just shove this guy in here. Just like that. And it's a lot easier than trying to do anything else any other way. Anyway, I'm gonna turn this off. Yeah, I just basically wanted to show you guys that that's how you would get it in and get it out, how I'll get it back out, just to show you guys. I mean, that's what's gonna happen as soon as you drop it. It's just gonna be sitting there like that. So, like I said, there's just gonna be that bolt right there, which you just saw me take out. And yeah, that's basically it. You're just gonna put it back on there. And I'll basically get back to you guys once I do that. Alright guys, it's basically going to be that bolt right there. That's going to be holding it to the block. And that's the only bolt that you really got to worry about. As soon as that bolt gets in, you just got to put on the crush washer and then the other bolt. Bolt it down. Don't tighten it all the way yet, because we still got to pivot it and everything. And then, yeah, we're going to start putting the other bolts on. So we got the 12 volt on. Let's try to get down here and see the 12 millimeter bolt. There it is. So now, alright guys, so we have power cable hooked up. Got our 12mm hooked up. So that's it. Right there. That's it. And then now what we got to do is hook up this tensioner. Right there. We gotta tilt this up. Tilt it up and get this bolt through this hole right here, but put it inside of this slot on this tensioner. Alright, so I'm gonna try to do it. On here, slip this bolt into this hole. There we go. Alright, so if you can see here, that little bolt that I just threaded in, and the bolt is also resting in this little groove right here. There's a little groove and the bolt is in there. So you're basically gonna not tighten this one up all the way, but you're gonna tighten this one up all the way, and it's gonna pull this pulley basically. So make sure you got that belt coming back over here. If you don't remember which way it goes on the outside of the harmonic balancer, and then it goes on the outside of the water pump pulley, and then you have to loop it. Going under. Basically, you want to turn it. There we go. Tighten up that one. Yeah, so I was having a problem whenever I would just touch my battery to it would spark really bad, as you can tell. It was like seriously creating arcs. And I was trying to hunt it down. I was looking for shorts. I changed my my groundings. I made sure that the groundings were right, but my alternator, this alternator right here, I'm not sure if this is a defective model to have on yours, that it has this grounding stud right there, but it might need to be grounded. I'm not sure. I just installed my 90 amp GALANT, and it's not doing it anymore. So I'm about to get ready to try and start this thing and see what's up. So alright guys, checking for fuel leaks. I don't see anything. I just plugged this in. I don't really have that much voltage to turn myself on right now. Right now I'm reading on the guy, you might be able to see it says 1228, so I don't have enough power to really crank this guy over. I'm really nervous, really don't want to cause a fire, really praying to Yeshua that it works, but here goes all my hard work, guys. Here goes all my hard work right now. You ready for a startup? First startup, let's do it, Yeshua, please God, please let this happen.